The device in my hand is OnePlus Nord, and suppose if you have received a notification like this: Nord OxygenOS 11.1.10.10, that is AC01D update for OnePlus Nord in India. So if this update is available, then you can do it, or you can check whether the update available by another method. That is, you must go to the settings of your phone, and if you open the settings, there you can see the option system. You must click the system. Here you can see a red color and new is marked here. It means that an update is available. You must click the system. So if you open the system again, you can see at the bottom there you can see option of system updates, and is written here. You must click the system update. I can see that OxygenOS is checking for updates. So you must either turn on the mobile data or Wi-Fi. Better to turn on Wi-Fi, otherwise you must turn on mobile data, and after that you can check out the size of the update. So here it is written the size is 111, that is so by doing this update you will get improved system stability and updated to Android security patch 2022 March. So you must click this download and install now button. So if you want to continue with the mobile network, you can do that. So now you can see that download is in progress. You must wait until it reaches 111 MB to finish. So remember, you must have at least 30% battery while you are doing this update. So when the download is completed, you can see that the system update is installing. So you must wait till it reaches 100%. So when it reaches 100%, you can see that installation completed. Restart to experience the new feature. It is written. So you must press this reboot now button or restart button. Now you can see the device is restarting. So you can see that after the restarting, it is written the finishing the system update, and finally we received a notification system update has been successful. So this video is it. For more videos, subscribe and stay with Engineers Online. Thank you.